Welcome back, gangies. We're back once again. So, I think we were getting cooked. I think we're getting cooked by another problem. So, it remains to be seen when we'll ever beat that problem. And I have no hope that we will. So, let's just lock in. But actually, I've been working on something recently and I've been stuck on it. But let's just say I think I might be entering. We'll see. I'm still testing out if the thing I'm doing actually works. But the thing I'm making, or if it's possible to even make it with the current technology. If so, I think it's going to be kind of a banger. So, yeah, then I'm going to do some testing. And then, yeah, kind of see what's up with it. But I think it should go well. And yeah, hopefully I have more information soon. But yeah, I'm testing if I'm trying to make something work. I'm talking very generally. I'm trying to make something work. It's unknown if the technology currently exists to do so. By technology, I mean software. There's a couple of repos that allow you to do something similar, but the licenses, you just can't use them. So we're going with a proprietary solution here. And we'll just see if it works out. But that's what I've been hyper focusing on recently. Almost to the point of detriment. So that's kind of where we're at. So hopefully it's going to be kind of dope. Fortunately, we have a comment to stall us from the never ending onslaught of attack by the LC devs. And so that being the case, we have a comment from Wilderness, legendary human, entrepreneur, part-time author, visionary, and part-time friend, with an even better profile picture than the accolades. Bro, you got the senior engineer cut now. My goodness. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The cut in the last video is crazy. I haven't had a haircut in like 2 weeks. No, it's probably been like 2 months, I think, if not more. But yeah, basically we're looking a little feral, looking a little cringe. But yeah, usually I wear a hat because I'm just somewhere else. But I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't find a hat, and I was like, bro, if I don't do this LC right now, I'm not doing it. And yeah, it's bad. I can't lie. But we cannot let the corporate suits continue their onslaught on the physical appearance of their employees. We must fight back. And by fighting back, I can't accept the senior engineer cut fate. I have to fight back. So long term, actually I think on the end of the channel we've had quite the afro. We got to get back to that level. That's what we're aiming for. Then we have, well, also thanks for mentioning Cold Turkey. You've been looking for something like this for a while. Hey, Cold Turkey goes crazy. Yeah, Cold Turkey, for those who missed the last one, Cold Turkey is just an application. I think it's on almost every operating system, and it just lets you block websites that distract you. And it's been pretty instrumental in helping me stay focused. Because sometimes it's just about putting in guardrails so you do what you got to do. So the guardrails now, usually I hit them, I'm like, I want to get over them. I can't. And I slowly kind of fall into the fun love. Okay, I guess I have to do LeetCode now. Fortunately, sometimes I have some nutty behavior and I find a way to get through the blocks. And that's kind of bad because then, it's not doing the job that you set it up for. And then you go past the railings and you realize I'm not doing the thing I actually want to do. And then before you know it, you're 6 hours into YouTube or TikTok or Pinterest or whatever. And you're like, why did I spend 6 hours doing this? I don't even want to do this. But I did it anyway, and now the day's gone. Boom, and then you do it again. So, yeah, I just trying to end game. I'd like to do that. But not while it's kind of getting in the way of some of the things I want to do, which is kind of balls. It's kind of all. I forgot to read the other comment. Also, one more thing I just thought about would be interesting to talk to your viewers for the beginning. So Would be interesting to talk to your viewers for the beginning / end of a video. Be interesting to talk to your viewers for the beginning / Not sure I understand. Podcast style Discord. One more thing I just thought about. Would be interesting. So actually, I guess I'll just write a comment. Do you mean before I start, I would have a podcast, the Discord, then do the work, then at the end, podcast style again? I'm not sure I under. Yeah, hopefully we I'm sure Wilderness will get back to us with how we can do something similar. But CS podcast, here we are. This is the CS podcast. No. That would be cool. That would. But cold turkey, kind of fire. Maybe we. Yeah, I tried to get into the router level of my router. Turns out I don't even know what the admin or login password is. I think I said it 2 years ago, so I don't know what it is. So I can't get into it. I think I'm just gonna reset it, and then I can get into it and do what I said I was going to do, which is block. There has to be a proprietary router you can purchase that just automatically blocks things you don't want to do. There has to be. Maybe if someone has the wherewithal or wits to set up something like that, they also know how to get past it. We always have LTE and stuff. Screen time helps with that. Also, you can block websites on screen time, so you're good there. I'm good there. At the router level, we'll have to be able to set something like that up. If I throw away the router that I have now, then there is no option to use. There was the proprietary router that could block websites based on a specific profiles, could assign devices to those profiles. Now it'd actually be kind of perfect. Then balance could finally be achieved. So I don't know if anyone knows if something like that exists. If not, it should exist, because that's probably where we're headed. Maybe when I get into my router settings, there's already something like that. So we'll have to see. But yeah, awesome comments as usual. Awesome human Wilderness. Shout out to the boy. We're kind of getting bodied by next permutation. But we're going to try and do 22 today and see how it goes. It'll probably be a millennium. It's gonna be an absolute millennium before we actually. It's gonna be an absolute millennium before we actually make it to. Our current version of the backtrack produces all the permutations. We'd like it to skip to the one that we're currently at, right? Because this one starts at 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, and it goes through the whole thing. That takes too long. I'm wondering if we can convert this recursion into iterative, then we can find a way to saturate ourselves at that current state. Then I think we should be good. At most, we should be like n for loops deep, which shouldn't be too crazy. Because we just want to take the next number. Let's see if we can convert mid backtrack. To an iterative solution. So we have something called pretty much if r.length equals nums.length, we return. At some point that will happen. But we're going from recursive to iterative. Meaning the current state of the next option kept by the recursive node that we're currently at. For that node, we'll choose n numbers, and then that node will choose n. For I equals 0, I is less than nums.length, I plus plus. That has I in this. Add I. R dot push num sub I. Or let I equals 0. The stack to keep track of the state of each node. We have one. Just so we pushed one onto the stack. We take the next number. Haven't seen two. Next one, haven't seen three. Next permutation for 4132. 4213. Wait, you can do this in place. Oh, if I take my original answer. So I'm seeing here the case where we slide everything over by 1 and then move the last digit up to where we were at the beginning of the replacement and it doesn't work when we should be going to the next value. It's probably why this solution we wrote Wait, what did I write here? What am I writing? Oh no, we are in the right version. Slide everything up by 1. And then the shuffle start index gets the last value. This makes sense. Here we'll say if it's ascending, if it's in ascending. If it's in ascending order, we want to shift everything down by 1, which we'll paste here. Except we'll keep track of the last element. I will be greater than or equal to 0. We'll say num sub I plus 1 num sub I. And we'll say nums 0 equals temp. And then we'll return. Oh god, we looked at the wrong output. I see, and that's why in this submission I said if ascending order, then we just swap two elements here. And when you run it, I mean the opposite. I don't think we actually have to do the shifting. we can just last temp equals nums dot pop nums dot sort it lexicographically and do nums dot unshift last temp. Oh, I need to return here. Which makes me think I probably don't even have to do what I did here. No, we do. Okay. Oh god, this is torture. Oh, I think we're just gonna look at the solution tomorrow, and then, yeah, read the solution and see if it comes back up.